all these books.
Yes, all these books are on the shelves. But look, these shelves are broken.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh.
Sadie.
Now we're going to build the shelves.
Yay.
Look on your head. Does it go on your head? No.
Ah, thank you.
Whoa!
Get this here. Hold on.
Oh,
Figure out here. Oh, will you put this one up? This one too, please. Thank you. Yeah, this one too, please. Thank you.
Now all we need is a picture for the wall.
My second delivery. Wait here. A picture of a wall.
No, Joe, not a picture of a wall, a picture for a wall.
Ah, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Perfect. Now, let's sit down and read.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Read. Read. You sign. Read. Good. Read.
Sadie, what book do you want?
I know just the book. Wait here. My third delivery. Oh, I didn't remember the book. Oh. Don't worry, I know just what to do. We can make a book on my Dizzy device.
Let's write a story, Sadie.
This story is about me. This is Joe. Joe is silly. This is a banana. Joe slips on the banana.
Let's love sign. Banana. Banana. You sign. Banana. Good. Banana.
Oh, Joe falls over. Is Joe okay? Yes! The end.